Good afternoon to all. Here we are going for the next bit, that is exponential form. Whenever the given function in the form of 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0, 0 raised to infinity, at that time to find the limit of function of the type. Here we are getting that function as f of x raised to g of x. Okay, which takes any one of the form as 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0. Then we have to convert this form in terms of 0 into infinity or infinity into 0, and then thereafter we are rearranging the term and getting that form as infinity by infinity or 0 by 0, and thereafter we are using L'Hospital rule and we will get that required results. Okay, so let us consider here limit as x tends to a, f of x raised to g of x is equal to L. Now to solve such type of exponential form, we are taking log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Means here we get that log L is equal to limit as x tends to a, g of x into log of f of x. Okay, so here this is the first expression and we have to convert this expression in terms of 0 into infinity, or हे जे काही टर्म्स मिळतील आपल्याला 0 into infinity किंवा infinity into 0 फॉर्म मध्ये मिळतं. आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे log 1 is equal to 0, log infinity is equal to, what is the value of log infinity? Log infinity is infinity and log 0 is equal to minus infinity. At actual we are taking it as a infinity only. Okay, so here we need these terms. Log 1 is equal to 0, log infinity is equal to infinity, log 0 is equal to minus infinity, means we cannot determine that. Okay, so we are solving the examples related to this exponential form as 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0, 0 raised to 0. Okay, so look at this, how to solve that or how to get that result of this limit. Going to solve that first example of exponential form. Evaluate. Limit as x tends to 0, x raised to tan x. Okay, so let us consider that given limit L is equal to limit x tends to 0, x raised to tan x. Now if we are keeping x is equal to 0 in this function, x is equal to 0, 0 raised to tan 0. What is the value of tan 0?
0.
0. Means here we have 0 raised to 0 form. Okay, now taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So here log L is equal to limit with x is equal to 0, tan x log x. आता या ठिकाणी x is equal to 0 पुट करा, tan 0 0. Log 0,
Minus
infinity. So here we have 0 into infinity form. आणि 0 into infinity फॉर्म असेल तर परत आपण त्याला इन्फिनिटी बाय इन्फिनिटी किंवा 0 बाय 0 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करतोय. हाऊ? वी आर rearranging the terms as limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Here we can write this term as log x divided by tan x. We can put as 1 upon cot x.
मॅम
Okay, हाँ
x डिवाइडेड केलं की tan x डिवाइडेड बाय x तो रूल आहे की
काय
tan x निघून जाईल x न डिवाइडेड केल्यावर.
x ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर
tan x by x.
हा x ने परत x into log x येणार ना तुमच्या तिथं. मग x तुम्ही तिथं कन्सिडर करावं लागेल परत.
येस मॅम.
मग आता आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा 0 बाय 0 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल आणि 0 बाय 0 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून मग तुम्ही तिथे x ची अरेंजमेंट करू शकता. इथं नाही करू शकत. तिथं 0 into infinity मध्ये करू शकत डायरेक्टली. ओके, सो log x डिवाइडेड बाय cot x. Put that x is equal to 0. Log 0 infinity divided by cot 0 1 upon 0, that is infinity. Okay, so here it is indeterminate forms. Now we are taking L'Hospital rule. Therefore log L is equal to, applying L'Hospital rule, limit as x tends to 0, log x, derivative of log x
1 upon x.
1 upon x, cot x minus
cosec square.
cosec square x. आता या ठिकाणी x is equal to 0 पुट केलं तर परत आपल्याला हे कंटिन्यू मध्ये होणार. मग आता ही जी टर्म आहे आपण वेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहूयात. लिमिट ॲज x टेन्स टू 0 1 अपॉन x इंटू 1 अपॉन cosec square x. 1 upon cosec square x. It is
sin square
sin square x. मग आता या ठिकाणी तुम्ही तिथं अरेंजमेंट करू शकताय. म्हणजे
मायनस
हा इथे मायनस येते लिहूयात.
नेगेटिव्ह.
Okay, minus, we will write that minus here. Minus cosec. Okay. आता sin square x आहे. sin square x आहे म्हणजे आता स्टँडर्ड फंक्शन मध्ये आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचंय. तर इथे x स्क्वेअर पाहिजे ना. सो x स्क्वेअर म्हणजे या ठिकाणी x आणि या ठिकाणी x घेतला आपण. न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आपण x ची अरेंजमेंट केली. मग आता ही जी टर्म आहे इथं काय होणार आता हे x आणि इथं x square. Okay, so we are taking that limit x tends to 0, we have only minus x because the limit of this sin square x divided by x square, it is the standard limit, so it will give 1. Okay, so which is equal to minus limit as x tends to 0, so it is x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जर 0 पुट केली तर इथे काय मिळेल आपल्याला -0. पण -0 आणि +0, that is 0 only. Okay, therefore log L is equal to 0. Therefore L is equal to e raised to 0 and e raised to 0 is equal to 1. समजलं हे?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now going for the next example. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by divided by 3 raised to 1 by x. Okay, so consider this limit. L is equal to limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3 and bracket raised to 1 upon x. Now, if you are keeping that x is equal to 0, 3 by 3, 1, 1 raised to infinity. Here it is in terms of 1 raised to infinity. Okay. Now, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So log L is equal to limit with x is equal to 0, 1 upon x log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3. Okay. So once again, we are getting the term 1 upon 0, infinity. Infinity into log 1. So it is 0. बघा इथं a raised to 0, b raised to 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So log 1 is equal to 0. So 1 upon 0 into 0. So 1 upon 0 is infinity. So it is infinity into 0. Now we are rearranging the term as log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x minus log 3. By using the laws of that logarithms. Logarithms आपण या ठिकाणी रूल यूज करतोय. बघा इथं log of a divided by b, which can be write as log a minus log b. जर log of a into b असेल, at that time log a plus log b. Okay, so using that rule, logarithmic rules, we can write that log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x minus log 3 divided by x. हा 1 upon x जो आहे तो इकडं divided by x घेतला. आता x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 पुट करा, तर कोणता फॉर्म मिळतो बघा, log 3 minus log 3, 0 by 0 form. So when we have 0 by 0 form, means we have to apply L'Hospital rule. So limit as x tends to 0, limit as x tends to 0, derivative of log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x. So 1 upon a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x into derivative of that bracket a raised to x plus log a plus b raised to x into log b plus c raised to x into log c. And derivative of log 3, that is constant, it will be 0 divided by x. Derivative of x is 1. Now put x is equal to 0. So 1 upon a raised to 0, that is 1, plus b raised to 0, 1, plus c raised to 0, 1, into, in bracket, a raised to 0 into log a, that is simply log a, plus log b, plus log c. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 3 into log of log a plus log b plus log c. It can be write as abc, which is equal to log of abc raised to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into log of abc, it can be put as log of abc raised to 1 by 3. Therefore, log L is equal to, we have log of abc raised to 1 by 3. Therefore, L is equal to what we are getting here? L is equal to दोन्हीकडचे लॉग काढून टाकला. e raised to कशाला येणार इथे? e raised to
log cancel होणार.
log can
Simply we are removing this log from both sides. So L is equal to,
ABC raised to
yes,
1
it
by
is
3.
ABC raised to 1 by 3. Here it is not E raised to ABC raised to 1 by 3. दोन्हीकडचा लॉग काढलाय आपण. सपोज इकडे लॉग राहिला नसता किंवा इकडे लॉग आहे इथे लॉग राहिला नसता तर ई रेस टू झाला असता तो मगाशीच्या एक्झाम्पल सारखं. ओके, सो हियर वी हॅव लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. वी आर eliminating that log from both sides. We are getting that L is equal to ABC raised to 1 by 3. The next example. Evaluate third one. Evaluate limit as x tends to infinity a raised to 1 upon x plus b raised to 1 upon x. Screen is visible to all?
yes ma'am.
3 raised to 1 by x divided by 3 and bracket raised to 3x bracket raised to 3x. Okay, let us consider the given limit. L is equal to limit as x tends to infinity a raised to 1 upon x plus b raised to 1 upon x plus c raised to 1 upon x divided by 3 bracket raised to 3x. To solve this example, we have to put 1 upon x is equal to y. Just I am taking that 1 by x is equal to another variable, assigning that y. Whenever we are changing that variables, these limits will be changed. Therefore, new limits. When x tends to infinity, y is equal to, or y tends to
1
y tends to
0.
yes, it is 0. Therefore, we have that limit as x च्या ऐवजी इथलं y घेतलं, y tends to 0. So a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y divided by 3 complete bracket raised to 3 into x. Instead of that x, we can put 1 upon y. So 3 into 1 by y. इथे बघा 1 upon x is equal to y. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by y. Now, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So here log L is equal to limit as x here y tends to 0 1, so it is 3 by y into log of a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y divided by 3. चेक करा आता ते कसं सॉल्व करायचं. या ठिकाणी सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करून लिहू शकतो आपण. Therefore, log L is equal to limit with y is equal to 0 3 by y. So I am taking that 3 here only. The term log of this bracket, it can be put as log of a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y minus log 3 divided by 3. Sorry, it is y divided by y. Just a minute. It is divided by y. Now you can put y is equal to 0. A raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y, that is log 3. Log 3 and log 3 minus log 3. Yes. या ठिकाणी हा इन्फिनिटी इंटू 0 फॉर्म झाला ना.
येस मॅम.
तर या ठिकाणी परत तुम्हाला मिळेल 0 बाय 0 फॉर्म. ओके
मॅम
हा
इथं 3 log 3 पाहिजे ना.
हा 3 आहे इथं 3 इंटू y. हा लॉग इथंच राहणार ना, याच्यामध्येच एवढाच आहे. हा ब्रॅकेट राहणार इथं. हा 3 आउटसाइड आहे. याच्यासोबत मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये नाही, मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये दोन्ही मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन जाणार ते. लक्षात येतं ना.
येस.
हा कम्प्लिटली वेगळा टर्म आहे. इथला हा 3 बाय y सेपरेट टर्म आहे आणि हा लॉग सेपरेट टर्म आहे. पहिल्यांदा लॉग घेतोय आपण. हा 3 इंटू दिस ब्रॅकेट आहे. मग 3 इंटू लॉग 3 मायनस 3 इंटू लॉग 3 राहणार आहे. समजलं का ते?
येस मॅम. येस.
हा विच इज इक्वल टू, आता एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाय करतोय आपण. सो अप्लाइंग, हा 3 कॉन्स्टंट आहे. हा मी बाहेरच लिहिते म्हणजे तुम्हाला कन्फ्युज नाही होणार. 3 बाहेर लिहिला. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतो? हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y.
1 by
1 upon
a raised to y
plus b raised to y plus c raised to y into हा log 3 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0च मिळणार आहे into डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस ब्रॅकेट. या ठिकाणी परत ब्रॅकेट असणार आहे. a raised to y into
log
log a plus b raised to y into log b plus c raised to y into log c and divided by जो y आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 मिळेल. ओके, नाउ पुट दॅट व्हॅल्यू हियर. Put y is equal to 0. So log L is equal to 3 into, in bracket, 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 into a raised to y, that is a raised to 0 log a plus log b plus log c. Okay, which is equal to 3 divided by 3. 1 upon 3, 3 cancel. So it is 1 only. So log a plus log b plus log c. It can be put as log of ABC. So here we have log L. Log L is equal to log of ABC. Therefore, L is equal to
ABC.
It is ABC. This is the answer. Okay. The next example. आता हे example तुमच्या homework साठी लिहून घ्या नोटबुक मध्ये. सेम एक्झाम्पल आहे, फक्त या ठिकाणी एबीसी च्या ऐवजी त्याच्याकडे कॉन्स्टंट टर्म्स दिले तुम्हाला. लिमिट ॲज एक्स टेन्स टू इन्फिनिटी 1 raised to 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 1 upon x plus 3 raised to 1 upon x divided by 3 and complete bracket raised to 3x. Same example is there, just instead of that ABC 1 2 3 has given. Okay. Now next example. Evaluate fourth one, no? Evaluate limit as x tends to a to minus x upon a bracket raised to tan pi by 2 into x by a. x ची व्हॅल्यू a पुट करा. 2 minus 1 tan pi by 2
Infinity.
infinity. So here we have 1 raised to infinity form. So consider this limit, which is equal to limit as x tends to a 2 minus x upon a bracket raised to tan pi by 2 into x by a. As we have limit 1 raised to infinity, that form is 1 raised to infinity. So taking log on both sides, log on both sides. So log L is equal to limit with x tends to a tan pi by 2 into x by a log of 2 minus x upon a. आता या ठिकाणी x ची व्हॅल्यू a पुट करा. So tan pi by 2, that is infinity, into log 2 minus 1, that is log 1. So it is infinity into
Infinity.
0 form. Now rearrange the term to get infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form, so that we can get the term with limit x tends to a, this log of 2 minus x upon a divided by tan pi by 2 into x by a, we can put as cot pi by 2 into x by a. Put x is equal to a, cot pi by 2, it is 0.
0.
Log 1, 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. Means we have that indeterminate form and applying that L'Hospital rule. So applying L'Hospital rule, by using L'Hospital rule. Yes. Please tell me that. Applying L'Hospital rule, taking derivative of numerator and denominator separately. Limit as x tends to a
1/2 minus x.
हा, आता एक काम करा, या ठिकाणी जर आपल्याला थोडेसे कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स कमी करायचे असेल तर x by a साठी एक व्हेरिएबल पुट करा. So by putting x by a is equal to t, you will get that easily answer. Okay, so put x by a is equal to t. आता या ठिकाणी x by a is equal to t घेतला आपण, तर जे काही लिमिट्स आहेत ते सुद्धा चेंज होतील. When x tends to a, at that time t will be 1. So by changing that limit with t tends to 1, limit with t tends to 1, log of 2 minus t divided by cot pi by 2 into t. Okay, so here you will get that answer easily now. 0 by 0 form already मिळालेला आहे. तो L'Hospital rule apply केला परत आपण इथं. तर log of 2 minus t, derivative of log of 2 minus t, that is 1 upon 2 minus t into derivative of minus t, that is minus 1, divided by derivative of cot pi by 2 into t. काही पण सांगताय का? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह
Minus cos x square x into
minus cos x square pi by 2
into
into t
to t
into pi by
plus
2. This minus minus will get cancelled. We have limit with t tends to 1. Minus minus cancel झाला. So limit t is equal to 1. 1 upon 2 minus t divided by cosec square pi by 2 into t into pi by 2. Okay. Now put t is equal to 1 in this function. We get 1 upon 2 minus 1. It is 1 divided by.
u into v रूल वापरलाय का
Uh,
डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेताना वरच्या स्टेपला cot pi by 2 into t च
cot pi by 2.
into t
हा.
च डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं घेतलंय
याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेणार ना तुम्ही, ह्याचा कंप्लीट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी घेतोय आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. इथं बघा cot 2t असेल, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसे घेणार तुम्ही?
minus
just a minute
मायनस
just a minute cos 2x याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा येईल?
minus sin 2x
minus sin 2x into 2. ओके. आता या ठिकाणी cot pi by 2 into t आहे, म्हणजे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t घेतोय आपण. सो हा pi by 2 इथे राहणार तुमचा.
येस मॅम.
ओके. Now here we have pi by 2 into cosec square pi by 2 sin square pi by 2. काय ती व्हॅल्यू?
1
1. आता हा झाला 1 upon cosec square. 1 upon cosec square means sin square. Sin square pi by 2. Sin square pi by 2 is equal to 1. So here we are getting that value 1. T is equal to 1, which is equal to log L. Log L is equal to 1 upon pi by 2, that is 2 divided by pi. Therefore, L is equal to e raised to 2 divided by pi. Now taking next example. Evaluate limit with x tends to pi by 2 cosec x raised to tan square x. By putting pi by 2 in this limit, cosec pi by 2
1
1 raised to tan pi by 2 infinity. Means here we have 1 raised to infinity, the exponential form. Now taking log on both side, log L is equal to limit with x tends to pi by 2 tan square x into log of cosec x. That put that x equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 infinity into cosec pi by 2 is 1. So log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. So infinity into 0 form. Now rearranging the term to convert it in infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form. So log L is equal to limit as x tends to pi by 2, log of cosec x divided by tan square x. We can write in cot square x. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Cosec pi by 2 is 1. Log 1 is 0 divided by 1 upon 10 pi by 2, 1 upon infinity, that is 0. Now apply L hospital rule. Log L is equal to limit with x is equal to pi by 2. Limit with x is equal to pi by 2. Derivative of log of cosec x.
1 upon cosec
1 upon cosec x
into cos
1 upon
x into cot x
cosec x into
minus cosec x
minus
into
cosec
cot
x
x.
minus
cosec x
Cosec
into
x into cot x.
cosec x into
cot x.
cot x. Okay, divided by derivative of cot square x.
2 cot x into
2 cot x into derivative of cot x.
minus
cosec square x.
cosec square x. आता याच्यातनं काय काय आपण एलिमिनेट करू शकतोय.
minus cosec x.
Limit as x tends to pi by 2. x tends to pi by 2. cosec x कॅन्सल झाला. हा मायनस मायनस कॅन्सल झाला. cot x कॅन्सल झाला. म्हणजे टर्म काय राहते आपली 1 अपॉन 2 into
cosec square x.
cosec square x. Okay, therefore log L is equal to limit with x tends to pi by 2. As we have 1 upon cosec square x is nothing but sin square x. So sin square x divided by 2. Now put x is equal to pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 1 divided by 2. Therefore L is equal to e raised to 1 by 2. Okay. Now going for next example. Evaluate limit as x tends to 1, 1 minus x square bracket raised to 1 upon log of 1 minus x. Okay, this is the exponential form. Now by taking limit on both side, by taking log on both side, by taking log on both side, so here log L is equal to limit as x tends to 1, 1 upon log of 1 minus x. Just keep in mind, whatever we are learning in online lectures, all notebooks should submit while we are taking offline classes. जेवढे तुम्ही आपण जे शिकलेलं आहे आतापर्यंत, जेवढं काही शिकले ते सगळे नोटबुक तुम्हाला ऑफलाईन क्लासेस स्टार्ट झाले तर दाखवायचे आहेत. होमवर्क असतील, क्लासमध्ये एक्झाम्पल असतील किंवा असाइनमेंट असेल, काय असेल ते सगळे तुम्हाला दाखवायचे आहेत. हे लक्षात ठेवा. लॉग ऑफ 1 minus x square. Now here 1 upon log of 1 minus x. 1 minus 1 0, log 0, that is infinity. 1 upon infinity 0, log of 1 minus 0, again here also we are getting that 0. So infinity into infinity into infinity form na.
Yes.
So we are rearranging the term as log of 1 minus x square divided by log of 1 मायनस एक्स. ठीक आहे. आता या ठिकाणी कोणता फॉर्म मिळतो बघा, इन्फिनिटी डिवायडेड बाय इन्फिनिटी, इन्फिनिटी बाय इन्फिनिटी फॉर्म. अप्लाइंग एल हॉस्पिटल रूल, by using that x tends to 1, derivative of log of 1 minus x square, it is 1 upon 1 minus x square into derivative of minus x square, it is minus 2x, divided by derivative of log of 1 minus x, it is 1 upon 1 minus x into derivative of minus x, it is minus 1. Okay. Now log L is equal to limit with x tends to 1, minus minus will cancel, so in numerator we have term 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square as per the identity a square minus b square, it is 1 minus x into 1 plus x, completely divided by 1 upon 1 minus x. Once again we are simplifying the term, limit as x tends to 1, 2x divided by 1 minus x, आणि हा 1 minus x कॅन्सल झाला, मग राहतं काय टर्म तिथं 2x divided by 1 plus x. Now put x is equal to 1 in this function, we are getting 2 divided by 1 plus 1 and it is equal to 1. So here log L is equal to 1 and this 1 we can put as log e, isn't it? Therefore L is equal to
e raised to 1.
L is equal to e raised to 1 नाही येणार, 1 साठी आपण log e लिहितो ना, मग log कॅन्सल झाला तर L is equal to e मिळेल तुम्हाला.
मॅडम 1 log e असणार, 1 log e असलं तरी log e raised to 1 होणार. मॅम log e च्या अगोदर 1 असणारच कन्सिडर केलं नसलं तरी.
e raised to 1 म्हणजे c ना.
Yes.
Then how you can debating that? मी ते e raised to 1 लिहिलं तर e's मिळेल ना मला.
Yes ma'am, but not wrong. E लिहायचं but e raised
काय?
no ma'am.
Next example. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x plus x bracket raised to 1 upon x. Okay. Consider that L, that limit is equal to x tends to 0, a raised to x plus x raised to 1 upon x. Taking log on both sides, log L is equal to limit as x tends to 0, 1 upon x into log of a raised to x plus x. ओके. आता या ठिकाणी जर तुम्ही टर्म्स कन्सिडर केले 1 upon 0 इन्फिनिटी असणार आहे, लॉग ऑफ a raised to 0 1 आणि log 1 म्हणजे 0, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी इन्फिनिटी इंटू 0 फॉर्म झाला. जस्ट रिअरेंजिंग द टर्म, log L is equal to limit with x is equal to 0, log of a raised to x plus x divided by x. Now put x is equal to 0. So log 1 0 divided by 0. A raised to 0 is 1 plus 0. it is log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0 and x is 0. So here 0 by 0 form. By using L'Hospital rule, taking derivative of numerator and denominator separately, limit as x tends to 0, derivative of log of a raised to x plus x.
1 upon a raised to x plus
1 upon
a
a raised to x plus x into derivative of a raised to x.
A raised to x into log a.
Log a plus derivative of x is 1 divided by derivative of x is 1. Okay. So here we have log L. Log L is equal to limit with x is equal to 0, a raised to x into log a plus 1 divided by a raised to x plus x. आता x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 पुट करा, काय मिळतं बघा इथं. a raised to x. Put x equal to 0. A raised to 0 is 1. Log a plus 1 divided by 1 plus 0. So here we are getting the term log of a plus 1. Now this 1 can be put as log e. So log a plus log e. So log L is equal to, we have log a plus log e. Therefore log L is equal to log of a into e. Therefore L is equal to a into e. Okay. Now for homework, I will give you one example. Limit with x tends to 0. Evaluate this. Sin x divided by x bracket raised to 1 upon x square. Okay. त्याच्यानंतर आणखी एक एक्झाम्पल आहे. लिमिट विथ x is equal to pi by 2 for the function sec x raised to cot x. त्याच्यानंतर एक शेवटचं एक्झाम्पल राहतं. How to find out that constant. We will continue it in next lecture. Okay. Let me check your attendance. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is absent. 20, 21, 20, roll number 20. Gire, Abhijit, are you there? आहे लास्टला. फक्त लेक्चर लावून बसतोय तो पठ्ठा. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Here it is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Roll number 42 is absent. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. आणखीन एक कुणीतरी असायला पाहिजे absent. 3 नंबर्स इथे 69 आहेत ना इथं. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. हा, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन आहे ना तुम्ही. Okay. So I am going to end this meeting here only. Hereafter, no one should bunk any lecture. जर काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर पर्सनली फोन करा. अदरवाइज कुणाचीही लीव कन्सिडर केले जाणार नाही. कुणाची अटेंडन्स जी आहे जर बिलो 80% आलात तर त्याची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमची असणार आहे. मी स्ट्रिक्टली वॉर्निंग द्यायला लागले आता. लेक्चरला अब्सेंट राहिले की आपण नाही, आपण अटेंडन्स टाकायचीच नाही, युनिव्हर्सिटीला जाऊ दे त्यांची अटेंडन्स.